Mike McBride with Mason-McBride. I want to talk to you about the most sweeping change that's happened with Michigan no-fault, really since the passage of Michigan no-fault in early 1970s. There's been a number of material changes that have happened with this recent legislation here this past year that will require Michigan residents to make decisions about their auto insurance they've really never had to make before. Another change in the Michigan No-Fault Act is when an individual can sue for what we call non-economic damages or pain and suffering. The legislation effectively codifies a case called McCormick versus Carrier about when an individual can't sue. There are three particular elements that must be met. First, there has to be an objectively manifested impairment. Second, it has to be of an important body function. And third, it has to affect the person's general ability to lead a normal life. Now, while that sounds good in theory, here's the problem. They're all subjective, and there's no requirement as to the length of time that impairment can occur. As a result, it appears that every one of these situations will be a case-by-case analysis. As a result of that, we believe there's going to be an increase in litigation activity. As a result of this subjectivity, we believe that it's going to have a material impact on the level of litigation around auto accidents, and as a result, having an impact upon the decisions you make about liability limits. In addition, even though the minimum liability limits have increased under the statute, we believe it's going to be inadequate given this new litigation environment. So as a result, the underinsured motorist coverage is going to require more attention as well. Our recommendation is that, as a client, you should look at underinsured and uninsured liability limits at a minimum matching what you're carrying currently on your core liability coverage. If you're currently a Mason-McBride client, we want to thank you for your business. And I know our team stands ready to help you navigate through all these changes. If you're not a current client, I know we would appreciate the opportunity to work with you to help you navigate through these changes and make the proper decisions for yourself and your family. Thanks again. We hope you find this video series interesting.